So I got a new TP-Link dongle for my Mac because my Wi-Fi has been acting up. I can show you. My Mac issue is basically it doesn't connect. I would have to like, oh, it's connected. No, wrong one. So I'll just select it, and every single time, then it'll connect. I turn off my default Wi-Fi. Now I'm turning on this Wi-Fi. Go here. Should work. I join in. Cool. I'll do a speed test. So I got it installed. Pretty happy. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. So this is the old Wi-Fi. This is the new one. Cool. Let's do YouTube test.
Alright, check it out, guys.
Let's do 1080. Cool. It's good. So I did buy it and I got it installed. The reason why I bought it because it works on a Mac and the installation was kind of hard, but I just followed the video tutorial from their drivers page. So all I gotta do is type in the TP-Link and the model, and you just go to the website and just download the drivers and install them, and you just plug this into a USB port, and after that you would just disable the old Wi-Fi to turn off and just enable the new Wi-Fi with the new icon with the and it should work. So far so good, and I highly recommend it to replace like your Mac Wi-Fi. If you have like a 2012, 13, 14, or any Mac that has issues with Wi-Fi, I highly recommend this USB solution to fixing the Wi-Fi because it's very simple and it's cheaper than actually going to a tech to actually open up your computer and replacing it. So I highly recommend this TP-Link model for your Mac. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.